You already know we are back here at Six Flags Whitewater. Oh boy, you know it's a good time when we're here as always. We're gonna start on the left side of the park and head on over there. Without further ado, ooh baby, let's have ourselves an adventure. So we're over here by Tornado. We're about to loop around here. I just wanted to mention it's a rainy, overcast day, and it's also 62 degrees here. And we're about to get in some water. You know what it is. We're already crazy with this, but we're gonna have a great time. Yeah, hence us wearing like shirts and stuff. So yeah, it is cold. But yeah, headed over here, going to Runaway River. Only have done this one time. It's usually not open. Dive Bomber at the moment is still not open. Still haven't been on this now in like 6 years. But let's go around here to Runaway River. I'm so excited for this. Back at it again, and hopefully Dive Bomber opens. We shall see. But guys, starting off the vlog, hopefully you guys enjoy yourself. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. We are in for an excellent vlog. I'm out here, Fred's out here in the frigid cold temperature for you all. You already know it's gonna be a great fun vlog. Let's go. So one thing I don't miss about this is this tower. You gotta walk all the way up all these stairs. We're gonna get the conditioning on together, y'all, but we still gotta go all the way up there. We'll be all right. Finally at a stopping point here, and Dive Bomber would be all the way up there. But yeah, here we are at the top of the tower. See the lay of the land here, the top of one of the kids sections right here, and then on the pillar of hair beads and all that right here of Dive Bomber. This is Dive Bomber, by the way, all the way down there. Absolutely crazy. Still really want to do that though, but haven't had the chance to yet, but soon. But here we are at the top, just waiting our turn, and then we'll be going down in the darkness. There we go. It's pitch black here. Runaway River. Oh my goodness, here we are. Oh, look at that. So oh my goodness. Oh, just pitch black. Where am I? What am I doing? There we go. Round there, there we go. Right. I see daylight, y'all. Oh man, just splashed down here up Runaway River. That's always a good time. I love the pitch black, like you don't know where you're going, the like mystery of it all. Really great time, really fun. Hopefully y'all enjoyed hearing us, because you couldn't really see this only in parts, but celebrating what, 21 years I think. Tornado right there, the big funnel over yonder. Let's go over here and splash down. Hopefully it's not too bad of a line. By the way, Runaway River right there, it took about 45 minutes because they're only operating one raft right now, and that conveyor belt takes like 7 minutes to get up. It's crazy, but yeah, it is time. Tornado time. Let's get it. The raft has been acquired. Fortunately, nobody's really in the queue. Nobody is waiting to get rafts, but we're headed on up. Hopefully nobody's really up there, so it's gonna be good. I cannot wait. Again, low 60s here today. Crazy. One of my favorite shots right here. Coming down, and look at that view. That thing is massive. I love it. Yeah, again, 62 degrees here, low 60s. We're crazy, but we're having a thrilling good time. So let's go on up, hike up these stairs. It doesn't look like anybody's waiting, so yeah, we're catching it at a really great time. Wow, so they're definitely doing a lot of construction here. They got a whole yard here where they're doing a lot of woodwork right here. So really good to see, really cool. All right, but headed on up. Fred is moving, man. All right, I'm coming, Fred, I'm coming. All right, let's go on up. Why are we so high? What is happening? Look at Fred. Bro, Fred. That was actually legit right there, because I ended up backwards. You know, you're facing forward as you're supposed to, but I ended up being carried backwards. Frigid cold, that water, but it was good. I haven't eaten yet today. Oh my goodness, once again, Tornado was excellent. And that was legit, like, intense that time, but gonna get some food right now already. I'm super hungry. Haven't eaten yet today. Let's chow down. We're on the bridge here, and you might have seen, as you see the Instagram post right here, that they're doing an update. Super popular, super favorite, of course, the Lazy River. It's not open today because they're doing some maintenance and update around here, so that's really good. And then we're gonna go over some more updates that they have here at Whitewater and more seating here. So really cool, really good. Not crowded whatsoever here today, rightfully so. You got a drizzly, definitely overcast, and super cold low 60s day, but that sounds like home for us, so all right, let's keep on going. We're gonna have a blast, but first, like I said, get some food. I'm super hungry. All right, so lunch today is gonna bring us to Totally Kicking Chicken. Wait, it's called the Chicken Shack now. Let's get some wings at the new Chicken Shack here at Six Flags Whitewater. All right, unfortunately, they're not open yet. They said they're getting things together. It'll take about 2 hours or so. So we're gonna look at Sternwheeler to see about that. Even though it's overcast, it's still a nice day and a great time to be out here. We'll be hitting these up a little bit later, but yeah, super hungry right now. Not too many crazy food options here. So yeah, let's look around here. Sternwheeler's just over there. So let's see what they got here today. I missed that. Again, that Stern Burger was phenomenal, but it changed last year for the not the better. So yeah, let's go see what they have here today and then get some food and get ready to eat. All right, starting here, I got the crispy chicken tenders, also with some extra cheese fries. They gave me a lot there, but they put a lot of like seasoning right here on the fries, which is a great touch. So yeah, wanted the Chicken Shack, but this will do for now. But yeah, very hungry. I'm gonna chow down. See you guys when I'm done. Hopefully it's really good. Meal has been completed. Actually, it was quite good, not too bad. But let's get in this frigid cold water right here. Let's get on a Typhoon Twister. Oh, it's so cold right here, going in this area. All right, well, we're headed up the stairs. Man, again, I promise you, they put ice right there in that section down there. Yeah, they added a lot more tubes over there. That's a good thing, but beauty in paradise. Headed up Typhoon Twister now. The sun is finally coming out, which is a great thing. Doesn't look like too long of a wait up there, but we're making it work. So yeah, heading on up. Super excited to get on this thing. It's one of my favorite slides here for sure, but definitely in general. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be really good, thrilling time. The water is really freezing cold over here for some reason, but we're gonna manage. What is happening? What is that? What is that? That current is no joke on that thing today. As you guys saw, it's so beautiful here today, but absolute wipeout. And yeah, they got those jets on full force here today, but it's a good time. Unfortunately, Python Plunge is closed today, but it's like they got a new logo here, right here. Yeah, definitely something new. Somebody made this. Pretty cool. I like the text though. But yeah, all right, let's go around here. Again, Python Plunge, not open here today. Headed up right now to something's actually going down right now. It's not too hectic, it doesn't appear right here, but Dragon's Tail. Also, they have a new entrance sign that I'm gonna show you guys at the end. But yeah, let's head on up. More stairs with carpet on them at a water park. Yes indeed. But I guess helpful for a hot day. But yeah, let's head on up. Whew, tight. We're gonna wipe out. It's inevitable. Here we go. And the new Dragon's Tail sign right here looks really clean, really refreshed, really defined, looks really good. I really like this new entrance sign here, the marquee sign. But yeah, this thing is absolutely nuts. These power jets are insane. I love it though. On to our next slide. When it's hot and it's summertime, all these trees really do come in handy. let's get on the next slide. All right, so waited about 15 minutes for Bahama Bob slides. Like 2 of the rafts deflated, so it was closed. It closed down. We don't know how long. Wahoo Racers is down. It's not operating here today. Black River Falls over yonder right here is closed. And then we're getting on Golf Skimmer right now with only one side flowing with water. But at least we get to do it. It's not packed, it's not busy. No complaints here. What is that on my arm? Oh my goodness. But okay, yeah. Oh, and over there, so good, Dragon's Tail. But yeah, this thing is crazy, so buckle up for the ride. Let's go. Oh, my feet on the wall. Oh, baby. It hurts. Fred. The tube flew out from under me. Oh my goodness, every single time, Golf Screamer does not fail. It's fast, it's quick, it just rocks you. It was really good. But yeah, we're gonna take a brief moment here in the wave pool. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. It's gonna go, I haven't seen or heard any waves here today passing through, but hopefully it'll be good though as we go around. So a lot of things closed here today opening. It's super cold, not too busy whatsoever. But yeah, we're enjoying ourselves though. So I'm gonna continue to enjoy myself with some wave pool action. Let's go. So beautiful. It is not busy, and I'm not sure if the waves are working, but the music is loud. But we're gonna go out here and enjoy. All right, so been in the wave pool for a minute now. It doesn't look like any waves are gonna happen. At least not here at this moment. Again, I didn't see any earlier, so yeah, no luck here on the waves so far. Last ride or last slide of the day, we're doing Tornado again to wrap it up here for this vlog from opening day of the 2026 season here at Whitewater. Oh man, can't wait to get on this again. Walking up right now to go back up Tornado for one last splashing good time here today on this adventure. This thing was intense last time. This and what Typhoon Twister were the winners of today. Sucks that some of these other slides weren't open, but this is really good though, and I'm super excited to get back on it because boy, it's crazy. But yeah, getting a little busier, but not too much. But people are splashing down this giant funnel. This thing is large. But yeah, over 20 something years now here at the park at Whitewater, which used to be a Hershon Park. By the way, make sure you guys check out my documentary that I did of this water park. Super interesting stuff. Be listed in the description down below. But yeah, let's get on up here and splash on down here on opening day. Yeah, they redid the outskirts of the lazy river right here. You see a lot of the construction and workway, you know, the workway, the work path right here as they're working on everything. So curious to see how it looks and improvements, and can't wait to get on it again. So yeah, again, headed on up. Let's go slide on down at super rapid face speeds. I don't know, it's gonna be thrilling. The views up here are immaculate. It is so beautiful. This thing is so crazy. Seriously, just do that. It's so awesome. Oh, splash! Okay. Yeah, Typhoon Twister. A little crazier, but that drop, oh my God, crazy. Oh my goodness. So good though. Hopefully y'all enjoy that and y'all stayed on the raft, and you're doing good. Yeah, I love that thing though, man. I love that. Both that and Typhoon, these big raft slides, quick ones, really awesome. And with that being said, that'll do it for us today here at Six Flags Whitewater on opening day of the 2026 season. Very good time, a lot of fun, a lot of just good slidage, but some things weren't open. Had a great time though. Yeah, Typhoon Twister was probably our favorite here today. Yeah, I agree. But we had a good time. Food, the tenders were actually pretty solid here today, but yeah, overall, waiting for them to, you know, work out the new hires and all that stuff and then have more things open. Also looking forward to just the new offerings, food, and they have like some frozen drink or something like that coming later. But and also the lazy river. But make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Till our next video and our adventure. Take care, be well. Hey, have a thrilling day.